Hi, Matt Baier of Matt Baier Organizing, and I want to show you how one of our organizing sessions work. We're decluttering this garage, and we're going to set up organizing systems so it's going to be easy to stay organized. You won't believe how much we can complete in one 6-hour day.
Hi, I'm Marley. We're taking things out of the garage and bringing them to the review zone. We are sorting them by major categories and labeling them so it is easy for the client to go through quickly. Nothing is thrown out at this stage.
Hi, right now we're removing things from the review zone to the decision table, and Marley's getting ready to review with the client, and we always start with the easiest category, possible tossables.
As you can see, the team moves really fast. We pride ourselves on our speed, but also on our safety. We create a clear scorecard where things are going next.
We make arrangements for the discard, donate, and sell to leave, and now we can focus on the keep zone. Because we can clearly see the quantity in each category, we can create the most sustainable systems. Krista is looking for a stud. To open up floor space, things either need to go on shelves or they need to hang. And if they need to hang, they must hang securely.
I'm Brandon Giddickson with the Junk Luggers in Stamford. We work with Matt's team a lot. They're one of our easiest calls. They always have a clear pile of donations and things to discard ready for us. And we're a one-stop shop, and we show up and it's gone. We make it really easy for the clients to have comfort in knowing that we keep as much out of the landfill as possible, and they get a tax-deductible receipt for all of the donations.
And we're done. It's the same process, whether it's the kitchen, home office, bedroom, basement, anything. It really can all happen inside of one 6-hour day. That's home organizing made easy. Thanks.
Thanks.